Hello guys! Andito po tayo ngayon sa Alaminos, Laguna. Introduce ko kayo sa isang project ng Red Oak Properties Inc. at Mega Prestige Property Ventures Inc. Ito po ang Centrina Alaminos. Itong project na ito, along the highway ng Maharlika National Highway, nasa boundary lang po siya ng San Pablo City. So, introduce ko yung mga houses dito. First, I'm gonna introduce you the biggest house that they have here. That's the Lavin Model House. If you want to see the inside of this house, let's start. So itong Lavin po, ang floor area po nito is 181. This is actually a 3-story house which has 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. So ang minimum lot area nito is 168 square meters. Especially this house, especially palaging located siya most of the time corner lots. If you want to have houses on corner lots, this is the house for you. So nasa ground floor tayo ngayon. This is the living area and the dining area. Sa ground floor pa lang po, dalawa ng rooms ang makikita nyo dito. So, let's start. Kitchen po nila. So, nakita mo yung facial ng kitchen. Ito na po yun. Actual na po to. Materials niya. Hindi lang po kasama yung gamit. Tsaka itong overhead cabinets. Pero ito na yung surrender niya. So, the first room dito sa ground floor, pwede siyang gamitin either a pantry or an office or merely a bedroom. Second room natin, which is more bigger than the other one, typically, ito yung proposed natin talaga na bedroom. So first stop, lahat ng bedroom dito, may nakabang ng butas para sa window type na aircon. So, saksak na lang kayo. Pero, ito na yung room niya, fully finished na to lahat. From top to bottom, wala na kayong papalitan dito. Livable na po siya. So dito naman, makita nyo very cozy yung kitchen niya. Bakit? Meron siyang sliding door palabas. Which is future expansion po. Pwede nyo i-cover up to dito. Pag may bisita kayo, meron pala kaming toilet and bath dito for the visitors or guests. So when you're on the second floor, andito na yung common toilet. That's the second toilet and bath here in the house. So let's start with the 2 rooms. Ito yung third room niya, together with the 2 other rooms at the ground floor. This is the first common room here in the second floor. So typically, ito yung mga kids natin. So pwede siyang single bed, pwede siyang double deck. So nakita niyo yung landing area dito, may hallway siya para sa fourth room. So very feminine dito ang concept ng interior design namin. So nakita ninyo, well lighted siya sa mga bintana natin. So next up, this is our master's bedroom. So malaki ang space master's bedroom nito. Isang feature nito, one part of the ceiling, mataas po siya. Tsaka well lighted siya because of the glass. Meron siyang walk-in closet. Malaki siya, pero ang surrender nito is hindi kasali yung cabinet. And their toilet and bath sa master's bedroom, kung malaki yung kwarto, malaki rin ang toilet and bath. Before going up the 3rd floor, meron siyang balcony dito naman. So this is the featured 3rd floor of the Lavin Model House here in Alaminos, Laguna. Nag-range siya ng 10.7 sa standard price niya. Down payment, 2 years to pay. So that would be around 43,000. If you want to know more about the details of this house, you just could contact me on this number. I'm Paul Christian Taborada, PCST Realty Real Estate Broker. Hope to hear from you guys. Thank you.